If the fuse is damaged, replace it with a spare. Install the filter onto the designated port. Note, if the rubber ring on the filter is missing or damaged, replace it before installation. Remove the pre-installed screws on both sides of the instrument. Install the handle brackets on both sides. Remove the screws from the support and install the support. Remove the screws, installing the handle bracket on the pillar. Installing the screen. Remove the screws. Install the K/30K per 50K RF handle cable and tighten it with screws. Install the RF suction handle cable. When the black rubber ring of RF suction is damaged, it can be replaced with a spare one. Replace the cotton filter on the suction hole of RF suction handle. Remove the plug and original filter from the suction hole. Insert a new filter, and reinsert the plug securely. Installing the face RF suction handle cable. Installing the EMS/EL handle cable. Installing the body RF handle cable. Installing the 80K handle cable. Installing the Lipo laser handle cable. Place all installed handles into the handle holders in turn. Connect the power cord and activate the power button. Press the button on the front of the instrument to turn it on. Choose Auto. You can operate in the order of the handle arrangement, or click the handle icon to switch. The time and energy can be adjusted according to your personal situation. Choose Manual. Choose K/30K RF. Settings, time, 15 minutes. Ultrasound energy level, 3. RF energy level, 3. Mode, M1. Press the Start/Pause button to initiate the process. Choose K/50K RF. Settings, time, 15 minutes. Ultrasound energy level, 3. RF energy level, 3. Mode, M1. Press the Start/Pause button to initiate the process. Choose RF section. Settings. Time, 15 minutes. RF energy level, 3. Suction duration, 0.5. Release time, 0.2. Set the suction intensity according to the individual endurance. Note, adjust the suction and release duration individually or choose the preset mode. Press the Start/Pause button to initiate the process. Choose 80K. Settings. Time, 15 minutes. Ultrasound energy level, 3. Mode, M1. Press the Start/Pause button to initiate the process. Choose EMS/EL. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. EMS energy level, 3. EL energy level, 3. Press the Start/Pause button to initiate the process. Choose Face RF section. Settings. Time, 10 minutes. RF energy level, 3. Suction duration, 0.5. Release time, 0.2. Press the Start/Pause button to initiate the process. Set the suction intensity according to the individual endurance. Note, adjust the suction and release duration individually or choose the preset mode. Choose Body RF. Settings. Time, 15 minutes. Energy level, 3. Press the Start/Pause button to initiate the process. Choose Lipo Laser. Settings. Time, 20 minutes. Energy level, 3. Mode, M1. Press the Start/Pause button to initiate the process. Click the switch button on the front of the instrument to shut down, turn off the power button, and unplug the power cord.